Somehow, the floodwaters have stayed outside. Thorpe Park in Chertsey in Surrey is one of the most famous theme parks in the UK, and the surrounding area has been hit hard by the recent floods. Swathes of land in the Thames Valley, crowded with commuter belt towns and villages to the southwest of London, are underwater, among few signs of activity in normally buzzing communities, with the emergency services and residents making efforts to protect their properties. Hotels, such as the Holiday Inn in Walton-on-Thames, were among commercial buildings affected by floodwaters. Hundreds of homes along the banks of the River Thames in the area were evacuated on Tuesday. With water levels still rising and more rain forecast for the rest of the week, British Prime Minister David Cameron warned things may get worse before they get better.